chair covers are the perfect way to put the finishing touch on your event space so it looks cohesive and luxurious. Today we'll be learning how to choose which chair covers will work best for your event. They're a great way to cover up unsightly chairs instead of renting newer ones. Common event space chairs include Banquet, folding, and Chiavari chairs. One of the most common chair types is a Banquet chair. Banquet chairs come in a variety of styles including round top, crown back, square back, and pyramid. If your venue has Banquet chairs, you'll be able to use standard Banquet chair covers in polyester, Lemoire satin, or spandex. Our spandex chair cover line also includes ruche fashion, crossback, and swagback styles. In addition, you can also use universal self-tie chair covers for Banquet chairs as they will fit almost any chair type. Our universal self-tie chair covers are available in satin, Lemoire satin, and taffeta. Folding chairs come in a variety of styles including metal, resin, Lifetime brand, and Samsonite brand. You can use our polyester or spandex folding chair covers on metal and Samsonite folding chairs. Lifetime folding chairs have a bulkier shape than other folding chairs, so if you have a Lifetime brand folding chair, you'll need to use a Lifetime specific folding chair cover. There's a difference between classic Lifetime and contemporary Lifetime folding chairs. The main ones being that the contemporary Lifetime folding chairs are larger and have a square top. We carry both classic and contemporary Lifetime folding chair covers. You will need to double check which type of Lifetime chair you have as the chair covers are not interchangeable. Risen folding chairs also use the Lifetime specific chair covers due to their size. In addition to the folding chair covers mentioned, you can also use universal self-tie chair covers on folding chairs. We also carry a variety of chair covers for Chiavari chairs. If you'd like your Chiavari chair to be entirely covered, you can use a spandex Banquet chair cover or universal chair cover. To keep your Chiavari chair half covered, you can use a full back Chiavari chair cover. Full back chair covers are designed to fit onto just the backside of Chiavari chairs to add an extra element of color and decor. Our full back Chiavari chair cover styles include curly willow, glitz sequin, sparkle glitz, and vintage veil. If you prefer less coverage, we also carry Chiavari chair caps. These are perfect to add a pop of color and texture to your design. At CV Linens, we carry a variety of styles, materials, patterns, and colors for our chair covers. We're sure to have one that suits your needs. A link to our chair cover selection can be found in the description below. Before ordering your chair covers, ensure you check the product description to double check that the dimensions match your chair. If you have any questions about which chair cover you need, give our customer care team a call at 512-821-1178 and they will be happy to assist you. Which chair cover was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and click the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and happy decorating!